Can I show you guys my lashes, please? Look. So there was this girl on TikTok and she posted these lashes and they were like the manga or whatever, however you enunciate it, lashes inspired by anime. And I'm like, they're so cute on her. I want to try. So ordered them on Amazon, right? This is what it looks like. Right? I've done lash clusters before, but not like this spiky manga style, right? And they came out so cute. All right, let me see if I remember the mapping I did, because before, when I was doing lash clusters on myself, they didn't have like these different number sizes. So you could just kind of put them on and it just goes with the shape of your eye. So I'm like, this is pretty badass. So they have 10, 12, 14, and 16 mm, right? Then they have this little eyelash applicator. And then here is the bond and seal, which I've never worked with before. When I was doing my lashes before, there was no seal. And it was like the straight liquid line. So it wasn't actually like the little brush applicator, but this is what it looks like. And then you brush it on your natural lashes. And then after that, you apply with this little applicator thingy, and then you seal it. I think I missed a spot in the sealing though, right in this corner, because it still feels a little bit sticky, but that's okay. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna go through my mapping that I did, and let me see if I remember it, because I did set it out on the top at first just to make sure I didn't mess nothing up. All right, so on the inner corner, it's 10, 12, 14, 16, 14, 12. Damn, I did good. Because at first I was gonna go 16 and then 12, because I looked it up on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT said it's drastic to go from like 16 to like 12 or whatever number I was going to. So I was like, okay, I won't be that dramatic. And I love how it came out. My inspiration was like the doll eyelashes, like doll manga eyelashes. But y'all, this is so cute. I'm so pleased, especially since this is my first time doing it. I think I'm gonna do an application video too, so we can see how I did it. And probably that one's gonna be better than this, because in this corner, I like accidentally glued like a couple of the lashes together, so it's not as, precise. But on this corner, oh, perfection. And I glued them from underneath. Look, y'all. See? From underneath. I feel like the girl from, what is it? Princess and the Frog?
Stand on Stars was just for babies and crazy people.
That's what I feel like. So when I close my eyes, this is what it looks like. Right? And then from afar. And of course, y'all know I be in my reading glasses now, because I think at this big age, I just need glasses to see certain things. But y'all, real cute, real demure. I love it.